Video opens with a dynamic animation of data flowing between a phone or computer and a complex, glowing blockchain network. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's absolutely critical for the future of Web3, but often flies under the radar: RPC providers. Now, I know what you might be thinking: RPC. What's that? Don't worry, we're going to break it all down. So, imagine you're using your favorite decentralized app, or dApp. Maybe you're swapping tokens, buying an NFT, or playing a blockchain game. How does that app actually communicate with the blockchain to make all that magic happen? That's where RPCs, or remote procedure calls, come in. Think of an RPC node as a friendly translator or a messenger. Your app sends a request like, "Hey, what's my wallet balance?" or "Please process this transaction," and the RPC node translates that request, sends it to the blockchain, gets the answer, and brings it right back to your app. Without RPCs, our dApps will be completely isolated and unable to interact with the blockchain at all. They are the essential communication bridge. For a long time, the go-to solution has been centralized RPC providers. These are single companies that run massive servers to handle all these requests, and they've done a great job. They made it easy for developers to build and for users to connect. But as the Web3 space grows, we're starting to see the cracks in this centralized model. What happens if that one company has a server outage? Your dApp goes down. What if they decide to block access from a certain region? Users get cut off. What if they get hacked? It creates a huge single point of failure. This reliance on a central entity goes against the very principle of decentralization that blockchain is built on. We're building a decentralized world on top of a centralized foundation, and that's a problem. This is where the game changes. Enter decentralized RPC providers like the pioneering Pocket network. Instead of relying on one company, a decentralized network uses a whole web of independent node runners, all scattered across the globe. Think of it like a decentralized Uber for data requests. When your dApp needs to talk to the blockchain, the network automatically routes your request to one of thousands of available nodes. If one node is slow, or offline, or busy, no problem. The network instantly redirects your request to another healthy node. The benefits here are massive. First, resilience and uptime. With a decentralized network, there is no single point of failure. The system is incredibly robust. An outage at 110 or even 100 nodes won't bring the network down. This means your dApps stay online and your transactions go through reliably. It's a huge step up in terms of stability. Second, censorship resistance. Because the nodes are run by a diverse group of individuals and organizations worldwide, it's virtually impossible for any single government or company to shut it down or censor information. This ensures that access to the blockchain remains open and permissionless for everyone, everywhere, which is a core tenet of Web3. And third, it creates a more equitable and participatory ecosystem. In a network like Pocket, individuals can run their own nodes and get rewarded for providing this crucial service. It distributes both the power and the economic incentives, moving away from a model where a few large companies capture all the value. This creates a healthier, more sustainable, and truly decentralized infrastructure layer for the entire crypto space. So, as we build the next generation of the internet, the infrastructure we build it on matters more than ever. Decentralized RPC providers are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes to ensure that Web3 is not just a buzzword, but a resilient, unstoppable, and truly decentralized reality. It's a fundamental shift from relying on the few to empowering the many. That's a wrap for today's deep dive. I hope this helps you understand the critical role of decentralized RPCs. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next video. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.